Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to uninstall Python from your laptop. Click on Start, then Settings. Here click on Apps and Installed Apps. In this list you have to find out your Python. In my case I have the Python 3.13.7 and Python 3.11. So whatever you need to uninstall, click on this three dot and uninstall. Again uninstall. Wait just a few seconds till this process will be complete. Exit, and similarly you can uninstall any another version of Python. Thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.